나는 이전과는 조금 다른 봄을 준비하고 있는 중이다. 리틀 포레스트.
Some of you might find this movie boring. This is Little Forest, a Korean movie played by a well-known Korean actor, Kim Tae-ri. The story begins with the protagonist of the movie, Haewon, moving back to her childhood home in the countryside, leaving her busy work in the city. This movie is adapted from a Japanese manga with the same title by Daisuke Igarashi that was published in 2002. There are also the Japanese versions of this movie that were made before this movie came out, such as Little Forest Summer in 2014, Little Forest Winter in 2015, and Little Forest Fall Season in 2017. Unlike the most movies that have a high tension of conflict, Little Forest serves as a calm and slow-paced movie with almost no significant conflict in it. One of the attention stealers about this movie is the cooking scenes. This is not like the other ordinary cooking scenes that commonly appear as the addition of a movie. Instead, it contains all good stories and memories of Haewon's mother before she left her out. After Haewon comes back to her old home, she makes a lot of deliciously looking dishes while bringing back memories of the house. Moreover, she gets all the ingredients for cooking from her garden she has planted by herself. Again, she also got it from her mother. As she goes back to her village, she also meets up with her childhood friends, Jaeha and Suk. As expected from the main characters, they also facing a love triangle. But one thing that surprised me is that it does not centralize or drag on to the cliche drama on that thing and focus more on Haewon's life and how she and her friends maintain their friendship. Aside from the intrinsic parts, this movie presents an epic cinematography, as we can see from the full color of 4 seasons in each scene, giving a sense of typical calming Japanese animation or Studio Ghibli. The cooking scenes, moreover, without great camera work, it won't be as tempting as it looks. Shooting from the start of the cooking, showing the fresh ingredients and the steps of cooking, was a very good idea of this movie. Set in a traditional Korean house or hanok, which is usually located in the village in this modern era, creating a sense of simple life and close to nature. Talking about the setting, we can't forget the real hard work of the teams and actors, which films this movie in the real 4 seasons in a whole year, from January till October. Despite the calm pace of this movie, many people still love it. Haewon's decision to move back to her hometown, leaving her busy, crowded city life, is relatable to a lot of people who have similar experiences with her. Sometimes when we feel tired of our busy life, we want to do what Haewon did. But not everyone is able to do that. Hence, this movie exists. We need something like this kind of cozy and comforting film that could relate to our real life.